Hey guys, I'm here. I think it might have been 2 months ago. I wrote an article of how to change your brake light, and I should have changed out both, but luckily I didn't, so I could do a video to show you how easy it is. It's just a regular Sylvania bulb that I purchased at AutoZone, and if you're a manual person, you can still check out the site and check out the step-by-step. So come on closer, I'm gonna show you. It's a button here, well, a screw here. You gotta unscrew. Put this on where I know it. And it comes. Hey guys, now I just reposition the camera, and because it's kind of hot out here, and I want to show you. For time purposes, it was 2 other screws. I just went ahead and unscrewed it so we can get this out here to make it kind of easier for time purposes. And this piece here, God, my car's so dusty. Don't y'all judge me, my car's paid for. I got weak little hands, to tell you. But this is where the bulb is, if I can get it out. There we go. And so you see, it's the same little Sylvania bulb. And you're just gonna pop it out. Pop the new one in. This is always a struggle for me. I was never a Lego person growing up. I was trying to get stuff to fit back. Okay, after some trial and error, I don't know why it was so hard for me to get it back on, but it's back on now. And I'm just gonna put the 3 screws on. Oops, gotta hold it. It's gonna come back out. Don't you do that. My hair getting in the way. Okay, my hand in the way. Alright, and alright, I'm gonna get in, and I'm gonna take a picture. The sun is so bright, so I'm gonna show you a before after pic, and that's gonna be it, you guys. Hopefully you'll comment and let me know what other stuff you want to see, and I'll be back next time. Thanks for tuning in.